For the hexagon cardigan using the moss stitch, you'll start off with a magic circle, and I have a tutorial that shows how to do the magic circle much slower than this that I will put a link in the description box below. Into the magic circle you will do 6 sets of single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 2. So that was a single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 2. You will do that 6 times into the magic circle. So that's your first set. Let's do the second set. Single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 2. That's your second set. We have 4 more to go. Single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 2. That's 3. And you have 3 more. Single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 2. 2 more. Single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 2. Now your final one for your hexagon cardigan with the moss stitch, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 2. Tighten by pulling on the yarn end that you see right here, and tighten it up to reduce the gap you see in the middle. So you'll notice it's wavy, and that's correct. It should be wavy because the hexagon cardigan is made to be folded in half when you eventually seam it together to create the cardigan. Slip stitch into the first single crochet that you created. There, you can see how it's a bit wavy, and it's supposed to be like that. And as I mentioned in the tutorial, you will turn your work for every round. First, start off with a chain 1, then go ahead and turn your work. So if you wanted to point out where your corners are, each chain 2 that you created is going to be the corner of your hexagon cardigan. There's your first one, your second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, and your sixth one. And so into each of the chain 2 spaces, you're going to do a chain 1, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, and that's going to be your corner. So let's go into it. So you've chained 1, and now you're going to go into the chain 2 space from the first round, and you're going to single crochet, chain 2, and then single crochet back into that same chain 2 space, and that's your corner. Next, you're going to go into your first side. So you'll find your first chain 1 space right here, and into each side you will do a chain 1 and a single crochet. So we've already finished our corner here that ended with a single crochet. So as you go into your first side, you're going to do chain 1, single crochet into that side, which is the chain 1 space from the previous round, and single crochet. Next, you're going to come up to a corner again. You will do chain 1, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. So we'll start off with our chain 1, single crochet into the chain 2 space, single crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, single crochet into that chain 2 space again, single crochet, and that is your corner. Next, we're going to go into another side. So for the side, you will do a chain 1 and a single crochet into that chain 1 space from the previous round. So we'll do a chain 1, single crochet into the chain 1 space from the previous round, single crochet. Then you'll come up upon a corner again, and into the corner you're going to do a chain 1, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 2, and then a single crochet. Now we have another side, and if you remember, the side is chain 1 and single crochet into the chain 1 space from the previous round. Single crochet. Now we have another corner, so we'll do chain 1, single crochet into that chain 2 space, chain 2, single crochet again into that chain 2 space, chain 1, single crochet into the chain 1 space from the previous round. As you go into the next corner, you will chain 1, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet into the same chain 2 space. Now you have one more side to go into, so you find that chain 1 space and you'll go ahead and chain 1, single crochet into the chain 1 space. Find the final corner from your first round and you'll do a chain 1, single crochet into the chain 2 space from the previous round, chain 2, and do your final single crochet into that chain 2 space. And then you will do a chain 1 and your next space, chain 1 space from the previous round, and go ahead and single crochet into there, chain 1, and then you're going to slip stitch into your very first single crochet that you started with, which is right here. The way you can identify it is you just look for the first single crochet. So you can see the stitch here into your chain 2 space from the previous round. That's your single crochet right there. So go ahead and slip stitch into that space. And if you want to check your work, you can count your corners again. So here's our first one, our first chain 2 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Your final one right here. And as you can see, it's even more wavy now, which is what it's supposed to look like, because eventually when you fold it into a cardigan, you'll fold it like this. This is like a very mini cardigan for like a Barbie doll. So you've slip stitched into the first single crochet that you started with in this round. For your next round, go ahead and chain 1 and turn your work. It's going to be the same thing. Each side, which is where you had your chain 1 spaces, you're going to do a chain 1 single crochet into that side. And then in each corner, you're going to do your single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. So here we are, we've turned our work. You'll go ahead and do a single crochet, chain 1, and single crochet into that next chain 1 space from the previous round. And then as you go into the corner, you'll do chain 1, single crochet, chain 2, and single crochet again into that corner. And then we're going to work on a side again. So you're going to have 2 sides in this round and then a corner space. So we have that chain 1 space from the previous round. You'll do a chain 1, single crochet, and then you have your second side, chain 1, single crochet, and then you have your second corner that we're working on, chain 1, single crochet, chain 2, and one more single crochet into the same chain 2 space. And again, we're going to have 2 sides to work on. So you'll chain 1, single crochet, your second side on this one, chain 1, single crochet, and you're going back to the corner. So this is now the third corner that you should be working on. Chain 1, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. We're already working into the side again, chain 1 and single crochet, and then your fourth corner, chain 1, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. Now we're going into this next side here, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, fifth corner, chain 1, single crochet into the chain 2 space, chain 2, single crochet, next corner, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, and a single crochet. Your next corner here, chain 1, single crochet, chain 2, and a single crochet. Now you're going to go into your next side, single crochet, and then because we started with a single crochet, we're going to have to end with a chain 1 and then slip stitch into that very first single crochet that you started with. And the way to tell is you look into the chain 2 space from the previous round, and you can see here the construction of that single crochet. So you've already done your chain 1, and now you're going to slip stitch into that first single crochet. And this round was you did on each side, you had the chain 1 single crochets, and you had 6 corners of the same thing, which is where we did the chain 1 single crochet, chain 2, and then you went to chain 1 single crochet, chain 1 single crochet, and then you went to the corners. And see, so you should make an L when you fold it the right way. Obviously not this way, this way. So you're going to continue along with this same stitch and process until it's as big as you want it to be. I'll leave a link in the description below for the full tutorial on how to do the Hexagon cardigan using the moss stitch. Thanks for watching, and if this was valuable to you, please like or subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it.